What's that?
Airplane.
What color?
Red.
Is it red? It's this one. What's that? Oh, orange. Yeah, yeah. Very good. It's okay? Close your eyes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. What's this? What's that? Ambulance. I'll give back to mommy. Okay, thank you. How about this one? What's this? What's that? Boat. But if it's a big boat, what is a big boat? Ship. Very good. It's a ship. Yes. Thank you. How about this one? What's that? Yeah, it's a garbage truck. Okay, next. What is this one? What's that? Ah, it's a race car. Thank you. How about this one? What's that? It's a taxi. Very good. How about this one? What's that? Cement mix truck. Very good. How about this one? What's this? Yeah, it's a fire truck. Very good. How about this one? What's this? What's that? Yeah, it's a tow truck. Very good. How about this one? What's that? Is it a school bus? Or is it just a bus only? It's a school bus? Okay, it's a tour bus. Tour bus, we say. Yes, thank you. How about, close your eyes. How about this one? What's this? What? What's that? Excavator. Very good. Excavator. Very good. Thank you. How about this one? What's this? What's that? It's a police car. Very good. How about this one? What's this? Train. What does a train sounds like? Okay, Knoxy. Okay. What's this? Giraffe.
Apple.
What is this one? Tiger. What is this one?
Apple.
Hippo. What is this one? Cow. What is this one? Sheep. What is this one? Zebra. What is this one? What does the horse say? What is this one? What's this? Lion. What does the lion say? Roar. What is this one? Goose or what? Duck. It's a duck. The goose is this one. The goose is this with a long neck. What's this? Goose. This one, what's this? Duck. Okay? What is this one?
Bear.
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 How about this one? What's this? No.
Go.
Rooster.
Bye-bye.